Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. So let's open this up, and it's probably going to be knotted on me. Yeah. I'm going to recycle this ribbon. Did you know that you can actually put beads on this size ribbon? Larger hole beads. For example, you could take wooden beads. You would cut this at a sharp angle, singe it, and then string wooden beads on, knot in between the beads, and you can wear that as jewelry. It doesn't have to be wooden beads. There's a lot of beads. There's a lot of acrylic beads have bigger holes. But you can like wrap this around a candle or something with beads on it. Just an idea for you guys. Okay, so I got that off. And let's see. In case you're new to this box, this here is a piece of paper that has a link to a video tutorial showing me how to make both of the designs in this box. Alright, so I'll put that aside. And this is always so messy. And I get this felt pad here that I'm working on. Gets everywhere. These are pretty. So this is, I think, 8mm, this bead. It's kind of like a Czech ripple, but it has thick edges. The Czech ripples are 12mm, I believe, or 14, and they have edges that are thin. Like it's a thick bead like this, but the edges are thin. I want this open. Oh, they changed the bag. Yeah. See how tall that is? Makes it harder to open. I think I might actually snip that off there, because I reuse these bags. To make it easier to open. This is such a pretty color. It's almost teal. It's like an aqua teal. Anyways, see how the edges are thick? Like it's a wavy, like a ripple bead, but the edges are thick, and the ripples have thin edges. This is pretty. I'm wondering if they're going to do like a... what am I trying to say? Like a summer themed project or spring. And then we have these here. These are really neat beads. These are remind me of some acrylic beads that I have. Yeah. Look at the color. They really do look like some acrylic beads that I have. It's pretty. I don't think I've used these before. I've gotten them before, and I think this subscription, but I don't think I've ever... no, not this one. The Czech Beads exclusive. But I don't think I've ever strung them. What is this funny bead? I've never seen it before. Almost looks like a cinnamon bun or something. Oh my gosh, it sure does. It's like twisted. It looks like a cinnamon bun. How funny. It's kind of cool. I like it. I like the color too. I don't see that color very often. Okay, and then what are these? This is neat. Kind of looks like a bug though. Looks like a butterfly morphing, or a caterpillar morphing into a... I cannot open these bags. There it goes. Yeah, a caterpillar morphing into a butterfly is what I'm trying to say. Oh, the color is really cool. Look at the color. That's a really pretty color. I like that a lot. There's actually lines here. I don't know if you can see it. Those are neat. Yeah, I think I'm going to cut this right here right there, just cut that off to make it shorter because it's kind of hard to open these bags. Oh my gosh, it's an elephant charm. He's really cute. Wow, there is gorgeous Czech melons in there. Double-sided? Yeah. So it's antique bronze with a blue patina. It's double-sided. It's a thick little charm. It's solid. It's not hollow. That is adorable. Alright, I'm thinking this is going to be... I'm kind of going further down into the box because I see these. But I'm thinking that this design is going to be pretty awesome. This is Persian turquoise. It is darker than the regular turquoise beads that you see in Czech beads. I have Persian turquoise Czech fire polish bead. I made a bracelet with it and a ring and earrings, and I think that was the only projects I've ever made with it, but I still have a bunch of them left over. I'll put a picture up now of the Persian turquoise color I'm talking about. Those beads, since I bought those, I haven't seen that color anywhere in a Czech fire polish bead. I always see the light turquoise, but never the Persian turquoise. Well, it's not called light turquoise, but it's lighter in color. But this is the same color as that. Looks like rose gold in the melon right there. Those are absolutely gorgeous, and I really like them with these beads here. Okay, mind frame. Yeah. What's next? Oh, we have more turquoise. This is 8mm Czech Druk. I'm not sure about this color. I don't know if it's orange or not. I gotta open this. Let's see. No, it's not orange. I think it's beige Picasso. You know, I think I might have tried buying these and they were sold out. It looks like there's silver in it. I want to say. Those are pretty. I like those. Yeah, the last haul I did, I think I tried to get these, but they were sold out. I'll put a picture up now of the haul that I'm talking about. So that haul is from the Czech Beads exclusive website, and if you like the beads in that picture, go watch that video, and underneath the video I have links to everything that I bought in that haul. Here we have table cut rectangle Czech glass. I want to say I have these in my stash. And I think I've also, there is another one. I think I've also used these before. Yeah, I have. Pretty. Okay, there's 4. Start a new row. Oh my gosh, I really like these colors. So I think this one is called teal. I have this in my stash, but I think I have mine in 8mm, I want to say. I think there's a light teal and then there's just a regular teal. It's very pretty. I think this might be the regular teal Czech fire polish bead. That's a gorgeous color. Okay, so there's that. And then, oh, I love these. I think this is beige. The color I want to say is called beige. There is this color in Czech Druk. I have it in 4mm, but I saw it last time I was on Czech Bead's exclusive site in an 8mm. This is pretty. I like this color. I liked it a lot. It looks like butterscotch or caramel or something. And these, I think I have these in my stash. There's 6 in the bag. So this bead here, there's 2 different versions of this bead. In my stash, I have this where the bead is really thick, which is this one here, and then I have the same pattern, but in a thinner bead. So this is the really thick ones. It looks like a brick. Isn't that gorgeous? These remind me of the fancy swimming pool tiles back in the day. My neighbor had a swimming pool that had the blue tiles like this, white and blue tiles going all around the edge of the pool. They don't do that anymore, but it was very pretty. I think she also had like a golden yellow color too in the tile. But I love these, and these are pricey because they're decorative. Yeah. Okay, and oh my gosh, is this green Picasso 4mm? I love these. I can't tell if it's blue or green. Oh, I have to buy these. I have to. I gotta make sure I put these in my cart. Okay, this looks absolutely gorgeous, but I don't know what this is called. It looks like it's blue. I don't think it's turquoise Picasso though, because the turquoise I have this in turquoise Picasso, and it is this color right here, that shade. This is a lighter blue, and there's silver in it, that's for sure. But it looks different to me. It looks like there's a, maybe it's travertine. Maybe it's travertine with this silver on it. These are absolutely gorgeous. I love those. You know, I've gotten Picasso beads at different times and stuff, and I noticed that the Picasso doesn't always look the same. Like when they buy these beads, they take a picture of them, right, and they put it on their site. But when they run out of stock and they restock, the companies sometimes don't take an updated picture of them because every time these beads are made, they're not made the same exact way, and their colors can be different. For example, I've gone to Michael's, and there's this 8mm Czech Druk. It's purple and white, like specks, and I bought it, and I loved it so much I went back and I got more, and then I went back another time, and I love them so much, I'm like, I'm going to get another one. And every time I went back, the color was off slightly, but I didn't see it until I got home and I put them with the beads that I already had. And I saw that the 3 different times I went there and got those beads, that all 3 of them looked different. Some were light in color, light purple, there was dark purple, there was like a medium purple. It was weird. So if you find a bead and you love the color like this here, and you like really love it, make sure you get as many as you can if you're really in love with it, because the next time you get it, it's not going to look like that. It's going to look different. You know what I'm saying? Here we have 4mm Czech Druks in turquoise. This is the regular turquoise that I was talking about, okay? This is what I see in the Czech fire polish bead. But this one here, this dark turquoise, which is in my stash, the Persian turquoise, I really don't see this very much, this color. I see this one more. But that is the difference between them. This one's lighter. I'm thinking that I'm going to really love this design because turquoise is my favorite. And I also really like the shapes of the other beads that they have here. There's still more in the bag. But that's what they look like. They're pretty. Okay, and then we have findings. Oh, there's a big pendant in there. Looks like it's upside down. We have jump rings. These are like 5mm, 5 or 6mm oval jump rings. I can't tell if it's copper or bronze. I want to say bronze. And then we have their awesome crimp beads. I love their copper crimp beads so much that I bought them last time. In the haul video, the picture that I just showed you, I bought these, and I think it was like $250 in a bag. They're really good quality. They're really thick compared to this regular crimp beads. And you can actually use those in place of 8/0 seed beads if you wanted to. We have 2 lobster claws, and it is antique copper. And we have more jump rings. 6mm jump rings. And then we have bead stringing wire. And golds. And here's the pendant. What's it gonna have? It's upside down. I gotta open it to see. Is it an eye? Oh my gosh, it is an eye. So this is called an evil eye. And it's supposed to turn away evil spirits, is what they claim. It's pretty neat looking. So this is probably going to be in the necklace, and then that one would be in the bracelet. And this does have a mix of color here. This is copper, and that one's brass. So that's cool. I like mixing metal colors. I always used to be afraid of it, and I got another subscription box that had a lot of different metal colors in it, and I went for it, and I mixed them all together, and it looked awesome. So it's pretty awesome. That, by the way, this is very thick. I should have showed it better. Look at how thick that is. It's solid, very heavy. I even think that the back is pretty, how it's brushed like that. Yeah, so that's cool. Alright. I'm very excited about this box. I love turquoise. It's my favorite color. I like that they have different shades of turquoise here. Do you see that? That's very pretty. And those I am just totally in love with. I gotta buy those. So this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this BohemStyle box opening. If you're interested, I almost forgot to tell you guys. Of course, I will be linking the BohemStyle subscription box down there below in the description bar, but I'm also going to link the individual beads and findings that you see here down below in case you don't want the box but you want a couple of things from this box. So make sure you look down there below in the description bar and you will find links for the box and the beads. At the beginning of every BohemStyle video, I put a picture of what the finished designs look like. Right now, I have no idea at the time I'm filming this what this looks like, but when I get done filming this later on tonight or maybe the next day, I put the pieces together and I take pictures and I post the picture at the beginning and end so you know what the design looks like. Like, you might like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.